Hey guys, it's Jaclyn from beautyriotx, and today we are doing a get ready with me using new products, and it's going to include a hair tool. They just sent it to me to review, and I obliged them because I'm very interested in this ceramic straightening brush. Now I've actually I think I bought one from like Marshall's or something for like 20 bucks, and it barely did anything, so I'm trying to find any way to get this like weird wave out of my hair. It's not a curl, it's a dead wave, let's call it. And ceramic straightening brushes are way more gentle on your hair than flat irons. So I'm actually gonna give this a go and we'll see together if it works. And side note, my toddler is in the room with me. I don't usually have her awake when I do videos, but she is today. So you might hear a random toddler voice or me talking to her, and that's just the way it is. If you don't wanna hear those kind of things, feel free to leave because the toddler stays. All right, so I just opened the box. I'm heating the brush up, and it's kind of cool. If you can actually see, it has like flat, like pieces of, I guess, ceramic instead of like the bulbs that these brushes usually have. Like they're flat pieces, so maybe that'll help more. I've heated up to 410, and I opened the box, and it actually comes with a sleeve to put it in, which is kind of cool. A heat glove to protect your hands, which is also pretty cool. 2 hair clips, and a brush to clean it with. And I think they have a like Amazon store they can ship it through. So if you have Amazon Prime, you can get it free shipping and shipped like fast. That's how they shipped it to me. Say hi. Say I'm Louie. So we are going to use these clips. We're gonna section off some hair just to get this started. So when the heat temperature stops flicking, like then that means it's heat to that temperature. So here we go. That got that stupid curl out of there really well. I like the idea of these more than flat irons. I have damaged hair already. I bleach it pretty regularly, so anything to save my hair from damnation is very attractive to me. This was probably the hardest part that I had foreseen. That straightened it really well. Wow, I didn't expect that. Thanks, GlamFields. And actually the brand of this is called, yeah, ArchiKing. I'll list their website in the box in case you guys want to look at them for yourself. They have a few different kinds, but this is the one they sent me, and it's working really well. I'm really surprised. The one I tried before, like, literally did nothing. And I have a feeling it's like these flat ceramic bristles that are on here. I air dried my hair, I didn't blow dry it or anything like that. And I don't have crazy curly hair, so I mean, I don't know how this would work if somebody had like corkscrew curls, but for somebody who just needs that extra annoying wave out of their hair, you might really like this. I'm pretty excited. I really wasn't expecting this to be any good. Mama. You see Mama on the screen? Yeah. Look, it even got like that annoying little kink right here. I'm so excited, Lou. Worked pretty well. And I'm not even taking like little sections, like I'm just grabbing chunks of what's hanging down. This is really cool. I'm really excited. Can anybody agree or relate to like not wanting to wash your hair because you don't want to fucking style it? That's me. Because I know I can't just let it air dry because I look like a witch. And I don't have a discount code or anything, like they're not giving me anything. They just sent this to me to try, and I'm trying it and I am extremely impressed. That literally took me like 7 minutes. Like, look, I know, aren't you just impressed? That was very cool. Again, I'll leave the link below if you guys want to try it. It's not an affiliate link, I don't get anything. Just sharing the love. This is a great ceramic straightening brush. I'm very impressed. I didn't want to do it, but I was at Ulta yesterday and I saw the Jaclyn Hill Vault display. I knew they were all sold out. I really want to actually try the Armed and Gorgeous one. Besides all the politics of what went on and whether anything was actually repressed in the very short amount of time that they relaunched, I thought I'm gonna give it a go. And they happen to have the Dark Magic palette left. I didn't really have much interest in this palette when I first saw it. The colors are very pretty, they swatch really nice in the store, but as we all know, swatches don't mean dick. So let's speed through and I'll tell you my thoughts when we're done. my eyes, I put my face makeup on. Now we're gonna go on with the BH Cosmetics. It's from their like desert line or something. It's the Brilliance bronzer in Bronze Babe. It's a little warm, but I mean not painfully. What do you think? I think it looks nice. A little warmer than my butter bronzer, but not like yellow or orange. All right, now we're gonna go in with a ColourPOP blush that I actually bought and never used, so first time trying. So this is in Romcom, and it's like a gorgeous, kind of like a deep melon shade, so I have to be very careful. All right, so we have this Profusion Luminizer Volume 1, and I found this, and I'm gonna use this in my next video. These Siennas, these were 30% off. This was $6.99, and this was like $3 something at Target, just FYI. These, I mean, these all look like they're gonna be okay for my skin tone. Very nice. It feels dry, but not like bad dry. Right here. Actually, I'm gonna mix the two ends together. What? Get the F out. Wow, that is very pretty. Hell yes to this. They actually have a volume 2 as well that's slightly deeper toned for anybody with deeper skin tones. I'm actually just gonna do an honorable mention really quick. I was just talking about the BH Cosmetics. This is the Desert Oasis palette by BH Cosmetics. Holy fuck. This is gorgeous. If you want to see a video on this, let me know in the box below. I just had to say it because it's sitting right on my desk. Okay, so the next thing we're going in with is by Kiko, and this is the Gold Waves Metallic Eyeshadow. And I'm actually going to use this. It's actually very liquidy, so I'm going to use this kind of for my inner corner and then kind of wing it out to like midway down the bottom of my lash. My friend Lily moved to Paris with her French husband, and she brought me all this fun makeup back. That is beautiful. Oh my god. You know, I'm just gonna show you actually on my hand how it looks. Like, look how pretty that is. Alright, I'm just gonna do my lipstick real quick, and then we will talk about every new thing that I used today. So let's talk about some stuff. Alright, in case you didn't get it in the beginning of the video, I really like this. I feel like it's worth the 35 bucks. Why not give it a shot? Jaclyn's palette. Now, I edited the video so it like would fast forward and stuff, but I edited out a lot of work that I did. I think that green first color I used is very, very pretty. This is a nice lighter shade. I wish there was one more shade lighter than the green to start as like your transition shade. Metallic shades that I used on top of like on my lid, I feel like they were fine, but I did have to put down glitter glue. This one feels much nicer than this one. This one feels like harder to get across, I guess. It just feels kind of rubbery. Inside Job, which is what I used, the darker shade I used all over my lid in the crease and like actually on my lid, was very patchy until I went in with my finger and that actually helped pack it on my lid. Ugh, I'm probably gonna get the Armed and Gorgeous just to see how that one does, because these are very like earthy tones and they tend to just look, not dirty, what's the word I'm looking for? This just wasn't the palette that I would have initially gone for. But I will continue to use it out and try it and see more that I like. You don't need this though. This I think is very nice. It's a little on the warm side, but nothing bad. They do have a few more shades. I think this is very nice though. I'm gonna try to like get some more. This I think is fucking awesome. I mean, for $3.50, give me a fucking break. And I mean, these pans are huge. This, I might pass this on because I don't see myself reaching for it again. The color is insanely gorgeous, but I just needed it to be a shade or two lighter. And this is beautiful. Again, if there's any suggestions on videos that you guys want to see, please let me know in the box below. And until then, I'll see you next time. And as usual, everything I used today will be listed in the box below in case you want to know. All right, so that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.